Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. So yes, I am so happy about the way my bar turned out, every little bit of it. So now I just want to work on the decor around the bar. There is still places in here I want to fill up, and then my attention is going to be on this wall, which I want to make the accent wall, the conversation piece wall. So I'm gonna want to make this wall, I want to make it full of stuff. So yeah, things that stuff I think you get in the bar, and that. So yeah, I'm gonna put some stuff on around there. So yeah, let me go show you all the stuff I've got in mind for the decor here. Okay, this is all the stuff I'm going to need for my decor I worked out. Like this is, I'm just gonna cut this out. It's like a comedy type of story in a bar or something. So I'm going to use that as wall art in my bar, just a little piece of that. And then this one here, I'm going to cut out this that looks like a bar mat that you can put on your bar counter. It was a promotion on that you got this free or something. And then this is just pictures that I will still sort through which one I'm going to use. It's little pictures of bikes that I'm going to maybe put. I want to put like photos of bikes against the wall. It all came out of this book. It's like a bike book for South Africa, and just get some of that off. And I'm gonna if I take the pictures, put it against this red hardboard, and just for a frame, something like that maybe. And then this is all the small things I'm going to do. And then I thought of something that I totally forgot. Something is very important that you have to have in your bar, and that is a bottle opener. So I totally forget about that. So I was looking for something how I can make a bottle opener. So I found this little thing. It's just something maybe you put like on a key ring or something. But it reminded me, it looked like a bottle. So then I thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna make a bottle opener with that, because we've got one in our bar with the back is like look like a bottle, and then there's the little opener. I'm just gonna cut off these things against on the sides, and then I'm gonna paste this name on there because it's a black bottle, just so it also can look like a bottle. Got different type of things. This is, I think, from a rally that we went to, and this is just like a little well, it was actually a charm bracelet, so this is actually real gold. But I'm gonna put this like a little Aladdin lamp, just gonna put something like that on there. And this is like a coin from here from South Africa, 1 cent. You don't even get it anymore. I found it somewhere. So I'm gonna put that as some art there. And I've got in this it's little bikes that I've got here, and little metal badges that we when you went to, if you went to a rally, you get this badges, and you put those on your colors jacket. So I've got this, so I'm going to put that in a bar because there's bikes on it. I'm going to put that in a bar as art. And stuff like this, there's my little, it's also from a charm bracelet. Well, the charm bracelet broke, so yeah. And then this little bar clock that I'm going to, and it really rings. So yeah, I'm going to use this little bar clock in the bar, and then maybe like a little disco ball there for now. And all this little caps for bottles, I'm going to put against that wall for art. I'm just going to cut this smaller, and there's some other stuff here that I can put random stuff against the wall. And then this little, I don't know, I like that little, just also because it's on the corner of the box, little mark. So I'm going to cut that out and put that against the wall. I just like the picture. So yeah, that's all the stuff I'm going to do for the decor in my bar. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so all my decor and stuff for the bar is finished. So it's just now to go put it in the bar, but I think I've got way too much stuff for that wall that I've got in the bar I want to make full. So I actually draw like a plan type of thing that I've got the space I've got to put the stuff in. So I'm gonna work it out how to put the stuff here before I just paste it against the wall, and then I'm sorry for the places I put the stuff. And then those is the two holes that's in that wall, so I would like to close it. Okay, there's one, but that's behind that light. So yeah, I must try to figure out how I'm going to fit all that stuff in this little space here. So yeah, let me start with that now. So this is all the stuff I want to try and put on this wall here. The reason why I put a hot glue in the cups is just to make it easier to paste it on the wall, so it's not hollow on the inside. So yeah, that's why I put glue on the inside. So yeah, let me try and figure out how I want to put the stuff on the wall here. So yeah, I am so happy of the way the bar turned out. I like every bit of it. It's now full house bar. Everything is there that must be there. I don't think there's space. Maybe if I find something, I will put it up here again, next to this here. And but I don't think there's really any more space for anything left to put here. But yeah, I really like the way it came out. Everything till the my corkscrew and my bottle opener. If you like this video, please give it a good old thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please, yeah, push that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell. There's a little bell. Ring that little bell for notifications, and then you will see every time I upload a video. So yeah, I enjoyed every moment of this. Until next time, bye.